Here are the steps to pre-order the WOWPASS Airport Package from the WOWPASS app. 1. Select Airport Package in the WOWPASS app. To reserve the WOWPASS Airport Package, open the WOWPASS app and click on the blue banner. 2. Confirm the WOWPASS membership and T-Money costs. The next step in reserving the airport package is to accept the WOWPASS and T-Money costs. 3. Choose your SIM card. Choose the SIM card you want to use. Both USIM and eSIM have the same costs. Select your pickup date. After choosing your SIM card, select the date you will arrive in Korea and collect your package. Choose your pickup location. Choose the collection point from one of the 5 available locations, including Incheon Airport. 6. Enter your details, including your email address and name as per your passport. 7. Choose your payment method, JCB, Visa, MasterCard, AMEX, or UnionPay, and currency. Then agree to the terms and conditions. 8. Reservation successful. You will receive a voucher code and confirmation email after entering your payment details and paying for the airport package. You can reserve the airport package anytime before you travel to Korea. I recommend doing it at the same time as you choose your flights to Korea, so you don't forget later on. The next section of this guide will show you how to issue your WOWPASS when you arrive at the airport. As long as you've reserved the airport package in the WOWPASS app, you can quickly and conveniently collect your WOWPASS card with built-in T-Money and your discounted SIM card at your selected airport or port. It took less than 3 minutes to issue my WOWPASS Airport Package. Here are the steps required to issue the WOWPASS Airport Package at Incheon Airport. 1. Open the WOWPASS app. Check your airport package voucher code. You will need to show this to the staff at the SK Telecom counter. 2. Go to the SK Telecom counter in Terminal 1 of Incheon Airport. You can check the location of the counter in the WOWPASS app. 3. Take a waiting ticket to join the queue at the SK Telecom counter. If there is no one waiting, you can go straight to the counter instead. 4. Provide passport for ID check. Show your airport package voucher code and provide your passport to confirm your identity. The staff at the counter will check it quickly. 5. Sign for the airport package. You will be asked to sign your name on an electronic signature machine to confirm that you have received your WOWPASS Airport Package. Receive your airport package. The staff will hand you your WOWPASS Airport Package, which includes your chosen SIM card and a WOWPASS card with T-Money credit. Once you've received your WOWPASS card, you can top it up at any WOW exchange machine locations, including the one inside the Airport Express Terminal. How to use WOWPASS T-Money to travel in Korea. There are several options for getting from Incheon Airport to Seoul, including trains, taxis, buses, and private airport transfers. 2 trains go to Seoul, the Airport Express, non-stop, and the All-Stop train, which stops at several locations, including Hongdae subway station. The All-Stop train accepts T-Money, so you can use your WOWPASS from the airport package to ride this train into Seoul. Unfortunately, the Airport Express train doesn't accept T-Money, so you'll need to buy a separate ticket to ride that. It also only stops at Seoul Station. Here's how to ride the All-Stop train from Incheon Airport into Central Seoul. 1. Go to the All-Stop terminal. You can take the All-Stop train to Seoul from Terminal 1 or 2 from Incheon Airport. Go to the Transport Center on Floor B, one of the terminal. 2. Use your WOWPASS to enter. Place your WOWPASS on the card reader to enter the All-Stop train platform. The cost will be deducted from your T-Money balance. 3. Ride the All-Stop train. Enter the All-Stop train carriage at Incheon Airport and ride the train to your desired stop. The journey to Hongdae takes about 50 minutes. 4. Exit with your WOWPASS. When you leave the train, you will need to place your WOWPASS on the card reader again to finalize your payment through T-Money. Here's how to top up the T-Money balance on your WOWPASS at a subway station. 1. Go to a subway ticket machine. The machine should say Card Reload Device at the top. 2. Select Recharge the card to top up. Change the language settings as you like. Then select Recharge the card to top up the T-Money balance on your WOWPASS. 3. Place your WOWPASS on the electronic card reader. This will be a flat area with a picture of a card. It changes depending on the machine. 4. Add cash to top up T-Money balance. You can only use cash to top up a T-Money card, which is standard for any T-Money device. Here's how to top up the T-Money balance on your WOWPASS at a convenience store. 1. Go to any major convenience store in Seoul or other cities across Korea. 2. Ask to top up T-Money. Show your WOWPASS and ask to top up T-Money. Use Papago to translate into Korean. 3. Give cash to the cashier. You can only use cash to top up T-Money balances, so make sure you have cash available to pay with. 4th. Place the WOWPASS on the electronic card reader and wait for confirmation from the cashier that the balance has been updated. Here's how to withdraw cash using your WOWPASS app and a WOW exchange machine. 1. Go to a WOW machine. Use your WOWPASS app to locate the nearest WOW exchange machine. There are more than 90 in Seoul and other parts of Korea. 2. Select Withdraw Cash. Choose your desired language and then select Withdraw Cash from the 4 options on the WOW exchange machine home screen. Insert your WOWPASS card into the WOW exchange machine so it can check your balance. Make sure to push it in firmly. 4. Open your WOWPASS app and go to the Settings, cogwheel. Select Manage Card and then Verify PIN at Machine. 5. Authenticate your transaction. You will be asked to authenticate the transaction on the WOWPASS exchange machine. Enter the PIN from the machine into your app. 6. Withdraw cash from WOWPASS. Select the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Max 100,000 Korean won at once. 1,000, 10,000, and 50,000 Korean won banknotes are dispensed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides.